Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Agriculture Vidya. Today, I will explain about PPME model uh, of doubling farmers' income. PPME models means procurement, processing, marketing, and export model. Procurement, processing, marketing, and export model. In doubling farmers' income, two models are there: PPM model and PPME model. PPM model means production, processing, and marketing model. In this, procurement is not included. PPME model: procurement, processing, marketing, and export model. This is at government level. This is at farmers level. This is the existing model. This is the suggested model. These two models explained with the help of flowchart. That is PPM model at farmers level. Sustainable production to processing and value addition and marketing. This is the PPM model at farmers level. This is the existing model. Next is the PPME model, suggested model at government level. This is from sustainable production to procurement, procurement to processing and value addition, and marketing and export. Let I will explain about these two models. What are the benefits of PPME model over PPM model? What are the benefits PPME model over PPM model? These two models will come under doubling farmers' income strategies. Whereas in case of PPM model, socio-psychological issues are not included. But in PPME model, these issues are included. So it is added advantage. Mainly agriculture is based on production oriented thinking. Rarely matches the business oriented thinking. Whereas in case of PPME model, business oriented thinking is also included. So there is a need to shift from that is present model PPM model at farmers level to PPME model at government level. In the PPME model, government agencies have the responsibility to procure the farm produce. Government agencies have the responsibility to procure the farm produce and making the business out of it and making the business out of it. By doing this, farmers will get remunerative or good prices for their produce and they are motivated to grow more quality produce, thereby an enhancement in the income. That means that increases the income. This is the advantages of PPME model over the PPM model. Let I will explain about drawbacks of PPM model. What are the drawbacks of PPM model? This is the existing model at a farmer's level. This does not create the significant impact on the farmer's income. This does not create the significant impact on farmer's income. Whereas PPME model is useful to increase or enhance the farmer's income. Not only this PPM model, not only this, it also impacts negatively on the farmers. It impact the negatively on the farmers because they that means farmers are burning the produce standing crops in the field itself. Sometimes they are throwing the farm produce on the road or outside because they are not getting even input cost or even minimum support price also. So farmers are negatively impacted. They are not getting remunerative or minimum input cost or minimum support price also for their produce. So they are throwing away the farm produce, and sometimes they are burning the standing crop in the field itself. So this scenario makes the farmer's condition more tragic. This scenario makes the farmer's condition more tragic. So to avoid these situations, we have suggested that is PPME model over PPM model. We have to shift the PPME model to PPM model. PPME model is at government level. PPM model is at farmers level. In this video, I have explained about two models, PPM model and PPME model. PPM model means processing, production, processing, marketing. Whereas PPME model means procurement. In this, procurement is included. Procurement, processing, marketing and export model. These are explained with the help of that is flow diagram. After that, I have explained about advantages or benefits of PPME model over PPM model. Finally, I have explained about drawbacks of PPM model. Thank you.